Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Law Times, presented by Indian Institute of Legal Studies, Siliguri. This video brings to you the legal judgments of this week. On 10th November 2025, the Supreme Court of India, in the case of Akula Narayan versus the Oriental Insurance Company Limited and another, delivered an important ruling on insurance liability in motor accident claims. In this case, a five-seater vehicle carrying 9 passengers met with an accident. The tribunal had directed both the insurer and the vehicle owner to pay for the compensation, but the High Court later released the insurance company from the liabilities. The claimant then approached to the Supreme Court. The bench led by Justice Sanjay Karol and Justice Manoj Mishra stated that even if there is a breach of policy like carrying extra passenger, the pay and recover principle will apply. The insurer should first pay the compensation and then recover it from the vehicle owner. Since the insurer had taken additional premium for the driver, conductor, and the cleaner, it could not be completely absorbed from the liability. The court had referred to earlier cases like Swaran Singh and Ramabai and directed the insurer to pay the award and recover the amount from the owner. Now let's move on to the next judgment. On 11th November 2025, the Supreme Court of India delivered a landmark verdict in the matter of Surendra Kohli versus State of Uttar Pradesh and another, which is famously known as the Ninthari case. Now let's quickly look at the facts of this case. Surendra Kohli, who worked as a domestic head at Moninder Singh Pandir's residence in Noida Sector 31, was accused of murdering, raping, and allegedly cannibalizing 8 children. He was convicted in 2009 for alleged murder of a minor girl, Rimpa Haldar. He was sentenced to death based on a confession recorded under Section 164 of the CRPC and certain recoveries made by the police. However, in 12 other similar cases, all based on the same evidence, Kohli was acquitted. Now, this led him to approach the Supreme Court of India again through a curative petition. Now, let's look at what the Supreme Court stated. A bench led by Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai, along with Justice Suryakant and Justice Vikram Nath, overturned his conviction and calling his earlier conviction a manifest miscarriage of justice. The court noted that the evidence presented was failed to meet the standard of proof beyond reasonable doubt. It highlighted inconsistencies in forensic reports, witness testimonies, and procedural lapses in the investigation. Kohli is now set for release following this decision. That's all for this week. Stay tuned with us for more such legal updates.